So it can turn over these cars if we're charging. Elaine, what are you gonna do if the elephant charge for you?
I'm gonna run like hell.
No, you just give him your credit card.
Oh.
Oh, what a nice bunch of elephants. Send it back. Oh, look at the teeny one.
This the baby one. That's about two to 4 months in between.
I didn't notice that.
Perfect.
Could you get him to turn around and come back again? Okay.
That's a good boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
I want that baby
Thank
That's from Elaine.
Thank you,
you.
Elaine.
We'll see now. And it's a little bit short, but the male is tall and thin. And also, if you see the male head, I've got like 3 bumpers, like 3 tusks on that. Those we don't call it a horn. Those in an accumulation of hair together form like a horn.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's just hair?
Just a hair and just a little small bones on it.
She's beautiful.
Is that her baby, you think, up there?
Yep, that's a young one.
An old baobab tree. They call it a poacher's tree, where people could hide inside.
It used to be a national park, 1971. Yeah. It's tough to climb over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we can even cover like 20 people.
These baobab trees are so huge.
Somebody put them. Also, those local people, we do have those people we call it the bushmen. The bushmen, they don't have a house, so they use the baobab trees to live in. And sometimes you find there's like a bee, so they're going out to look for honey.
Ooh, no bees.
Wes, get up next to Eddie.
Uh-huh. Where the water is.
These are water bucks.
You say they're new to the.
Okay. What is it?
They're new to the Tarangire.
What is it?
Big new.
They're new.
No. That's a vulture on the left and a tawny eagle on the right.
Oh, I got you thinking. Oh, isn't he good looking?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
A
There's a whole
marabou
bunch of them.
stork. A marabou stork.
That is great.
This is the Tarangire River.
Tarangire.
Tarangire River.
Oh, there's a bunch.
Another marabou stork up on top of the tree. Of the palm tree.
Oh, yeah, good eye. Ooh.
Big old bull.
It's too old. It's a big male. Very old. And he's peeping himself. Look.
Pretty good tusks he's got.
African Cape buffalo.
African Cape,
Cape
buffalo.
And they look very dumb.
They look dumb, but
They look mean to me.
A very large herd.
It is.
I've never seen that many at one time.
Wow.
Look at the horns. Must be a meter across, maybe bigger. Along the river, some elephants coming down to drink. And a herd of wildebeest and zebras coming down also. There are the elephants. And these are the wildebeest coming down. And the wildebeest are coming in. The zebras following them.
I think we go down there, don't we?
Oh no.
Well, I've got the San Diego Zoo beach here.
See further down by where the bus is? See my
Elephants in the water.
Oh, they saw the car.
I see they've seen a car. So they're all running away. So we have the zebras there now too.
In the dirt. In the dirt.
Oh.
There's a little baby elephant in there in between the two bigger ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's that big bunch, I'm sure. That.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That one or a herd just like it.
Yeah.
Those are Cape buffalo.
Uh-huh.
I'm talking to my videos, so
Oh.
excuse me. I've narrated.
I'm agreeing with you.
No, that's fine. That's one of the big 5 animals.
Are you?
I am. Yeah.
All right, then I'll try not to get in your way.
Oh no, it's all right. It's just doing its thing. That's a marvelous herd.
Watch out in the water.
Oh, that was the Cape buffalo. that
Those
were
are
waiting
Cape
for us
buffalo.
Yeah.
That was the group we stopped, wasn't it?
Yep,
Then,
they've all come down to.
The
Let's
groupies.
see if I can get a little more. How many do you think are in that herd?
I'd say a couple. Maybe not a couple hundred. 150 maybe.
That would be about my guess.
Yeah.
I left my other bag over there. You been up here already? You can take charge of the camera.
Now, for whatever reason, they're running. The herd's moving downriver, so the guys in the back are running to catch up.
The time that they're fighting for the female, they're really fighting till one can even die, huh?
Because there's the group over there.
What?
You go check your wife because, oh, there's one right here. Eating in the bush.
His girlfriend.
Ah!
One of his wives.
He's got two. Lucky that.
Okay.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Let's go.
He's posing for me.
Yep. That's an impala.
Yeah, the Impala, yeah.
I didn't think that's why they got weak.
They get weak with two things. I know you know.
Right. Active males spend up to a quarter of their time shepherding the females.
Yep.
Time that would otherwise be spent feeding and digesting. Keeping bachelor males
How
away
old do you
and
think
cutting
that
out-
5 lions under the tree.
How many of them?
I count 5.
There's another one around the corner.
Yeah.
We're told that they made a kill here yesterday.
Or she has been more.
That's a big,
This is the remains of a kill from a leopard up here in the tree.
Scent glands.
Everybody taking a siesta.
there's 6 of them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they don't like the elephant.
Turns out there's 7 of them.
When I'm said, okay, enough of that, I'm going back to sleep.
Looking at you. Okay, so she's long gone.
Eh. Hawa hapo kabisa. Wako kama 7 hivi naona. Nilikuwa na kuna bundi huko juu hapo onesha. Kuna bundi huko juu hapo. Picture. He's in the gym.
Doing it stretches.
Stretching there. Come over here. Nice pose.
Very nice.
That tree is long.
Uh-oh.
What?
Le ngiri.
So, but the elephants aren't scared at all from the lion
No.
because they can
Upande ule
charge
ng'ambo wa
them.
mto.
But the lion we just find out are looking because there was a warthog coming toward the water to drink. So they are sleeping very, very interested.
Warthogs are still coming down.
Tosema suko daraja la sopa.
It turns out there really are 7 lions.
Stand by.
And now behind we have a nice herd of elephants that are in the river to drink.
Unakosa picha za hatari huko.
See them?
And we have 3 warthogs coming down
Unakosa picha
also to
nzuri.
eat.
Getting the attention of the lions right there.
And the warthogs, 2 of them are down in the river now.
I see the python that they're talking about. Yeah. If you have a binocular, you can see it. Right?
The lions are going hunting.
Wanawinda.
The lions are going
Hey.
hunting.
Wanawinda. Wanawinda wale mani.
Not the elephant, but the warthogs who are on the other